Alright guys, so now we're going to do an AP problem that is multiple choice. So, rainwater was collected in water collectors at 100 different sites near an industrial complex, and the pH level was measured. The mean pH level was 5.40 and standard deviation was 1.30. When the pH meter was recalibrated back at the laboratory, it was found to be an error. The error can be corrected by adding 0.3 pH units to all the values and then multiplying the result by 1.1. The mean and standard deviation of the corrected pH measurements are, and now we figure that out. This is based on transformations of data. So right now we're working with the mean, which is given, it's supposed to be 5.40, and we're also working with standard deviation, which is 1.30. And then it says that the error can be corrected by adding 0.3 pH units and then multiplying the result by 1.1. So the first thing you do is add 0.3. Add 0.3. So we know that the mean is affected by adding a constant to the set of data, so we can acknowledge that by adding 0.3 to 5.40. So now our new mean is 5.70. And standard deviation is actually not affected by an addition of a constant. It stays the same, so we can just cross this out and then say standard deviation is still 1.30. The second thing we have to do is multiply the results by 1.1. And we know that the mean and standard deviation are both affected by the multiplication of a constant, so we multiply 1.1 times 5.7, and we should now get the mean to equal 6.27, and standard deviation, if you multiply that, it should equal 1.43. So our answer should be B.